Listen up, if you own real estate in Florida, particularly condo, you're about to get hit with some major changes that can cost you massive amounts of money. New law took effect January 1, 2026, the Condo Transparency Law. It hammers condo associations for not having proper reserves. It demands inspections. It demands accountability, and it allows massive special assessments to be hit. And the issue is for associations to comply with this in many cases is going to be next to impossible. The good news is it cuts both ways. You're going to have associations that are not going to hit the law properly, that provide some important relief to consumers. So when mom, dad, granddad, you as the investor out there, you as an owner are getting these assessments, you got to go back and save every one of those notices. Then you got to analyze the notices properly, determine whether they were made proper or not. If not, the association may be on the hook to you for legal fees and damages, and it will also provoke many challenges and problems for the association itself. So if you're living in a condo, you're interested in real estate at all in Florida, pay attention to this new law, the Condo Transparency Act. I'll drop a link in here and pay particular attention when those assessments start to come.